The Financial Times reports that online sales jumped by more than 20% on Black Friday as online sales continue to grow at a faster pace than retail sales. Internet sales were up 20% from a year ago on Friday and up 17.4% on the previous day, Thanksgiving. But individuals spent less than in 2011, according to IBM research. Shopping on mobile devices increased, representing 10% of all online transactions. In bricks and mortar stores, sales were down 1.8% from a year ago at $11.2 billion, the first drop since 2008. The fall was attributed, however, to several stores opening early on Thanksgiving Day, including Walmart and Target. The combined sales of the 2 days are expected to exceed last year's $11.4 billion. Lenders are in demand in regional and small banks across the country, resulting in larger paychecks for commercial bankers. The Wall Street Journal reports that the average compensation package for lenders is up 17% this year to $101,376. That is the highest amount since the onset of the financial crisis and more than twice the average of U.S. compensation of $42,211. Small-time bankers are in demand, allowing banks to lend to small and mid-sized businesses. The pay of small-town bankers pales in comparison to the Wall Street paychecks, in which Goldman Sachs bankers average $336,503. The famous sports car maker Aston Martin is in talks with 2 bidders for potential 50% stake in the company. India's Mahindra & Mahindra and Europe's Invest Industrial are the final bidders. The investment would allow Aston Martin to increase its capital and bring in new investors alongside group led by Kuwait's Investment Dar. The Kuwaitis currently own 60% of the business. Investment Dar purchased the company from Ford Motors in 2007 for £479 million. Last year, Aston Martin sold £300 million of high-yield bonds to finance its bank loans. Reporting from Millionaire Corner, I'm Heather Kiley. Thanks for watching.